So today my topic is from eager manager to chairman bonus. So may I know how many of you already qualified chairman bonus? Still got many not yet qualified? A lot of people ask me, how can you build the biggest group of eager managers in the world? You want to know the answer? You want to know? My answer very simple. Okay? Just teach all your leaders to set the goal on incentive, not only pin. Okay? What is the difference between eager manager and manager? Okay? Eager manager is incentive, but manager is a pin. Okay? Manager is only 2-month business. Okay? In 2 months, you reach 120 cc, you become manager. But eager manager is not 2-month business. It's every year business. You need to qualify every year, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. So the secret is very simple. So today, you need to back to basic. To become eagers, we always do these 3 simple things. 3S. Okay, one day, they have 2 good men die of car accidents. So they have chance to go to heaven. So before they want to go to the heaven, they need to get past the angel. Okay? So when they meet the angel, so the angel asks them, tell them, so if you want to go past this door to the heaven, okay, you need to ask me a question. Okay, the question that I cannot answer, or I answer wrongly. So the first guy is the scientist, very smart scientist. So he come up with very scientific questions. So to the angel. So the angel said, you are only human. I am angel. What question I can't answer? So straight away the angel give the answer. Okay, so the scientist fail. Okay, cannot go in. So the second man is the mathematician. Okay, so also he come up with very difficult mathematics. Okay, 14 page of the equation, everything. They ask the angel. Angel say, you are human. You need the calculator. I'm angel. Okay, I can tell the answer straight away. Okay, so the mathematician fail. So the third man is a simple guy. Okay, simple guy. Okay, so he just asked the angel, can you make me 1 chair? Oh, no problem. 1 chair, I make you 1 chair. So can you make 9 holes on the chair? Oh, very simple. Make 9 holes on the chair. You know what the simple guy do? He sit on the chair and he farting. Put! And he asked the angel, do you know my fart come out from which hole? So the angel go and see, look at the chair. Left hand side, second hole. Then the guy say, wrong. The fart come out from my asshole. Sometimes it's very simple, okay? Don't think so complicated. In Forever, it's very simple. You just need to do 3S, okay? You need to keep on selling. Why we want to sell? Because we want stable income, isn't it? At least we need to maintain maybe 10 to 20 customers, okay? Sell, every day sell to make our income stable, okay? And of course, Forever, we have the best product in the world, isn't it? Okay? Our task is very simple. Product is not our task. Okay? It's company task. They already make the very good quality products. Our task is just add in people. Add in people. Okay? Keep on sponsoring. So when you add in people, your network grow or not? Grow or not? Yes. So don't stop. Okay? And lastly, we need to do servicing. Okay? Service what? We need to service our customer. Service our customers so that they can become our business partner, isn't it? Okay? Then if business partner, we need to service them so that they can become our leader. Okay? These are 3 simple S. Okay? Every year we need to back to basic. Not because we already qualified Cancun. Okay? We already are eager manager. So next year we no need to do 3S. Okay? We need to do it every year. Isn't it? Okay? This is simple. But today, if we want to move to chairman bonus, okay, we need to do another 3S. Okay? This is the 3S for networking. Okay? First is standard for solidity. Okay? We need to be solid. Okay? Not just manager. We need to be solid manager. Okay? And second, we need the structure. Okay? For what? For balance. Okay, and third, we need the system. System for strength. So we go one by one. So first is the standard for solidity. So if you look at our marketing plan, a lot of people, they say AS. If you want to become AS, how much CC we need to do? 2 CC. Okay? Supervisor? 25 CC. Assistant manager? 75 CC. Manager? 120. Okay. This is normal OPP. Okay? Normal marketing plan we told people. But if you want to go to chairman bonus, you need something different. Because according to our standard, AS is not only 2 CC. AS is 2 CC to 24.999 CC, isn't it? Okay? At least you must take half in between. Like 12.5 CC or 13 CC as an assistant supervisor. This is our standard, not 2 CC. Okay? If you already become supervisor supposed to be 25 CC to 74.999 CC. Not only 25 CC. Okay? If you just do 25 CC, you won't go up to assistant manager. Okay? You need to get at least half. Okay? Half, something like 50 CC per month. So that you can get to next level, assistant manager. Isn't it? Okay? This is, you must understand the marketing plan. You understand the standard. Only you can build the solid level. Okay? So, next we see. So, in Forever Living, it's very simple. Okay? I always tell my downlines, you need to build 5 lines. Okay? You start with 5 legs with 5 CC. Okay? When you join the business, okay, your first goal is to become supervisor. Okay? So you just need 5 legs, and every legs do 5 CC. So you will have 25 CC. So from this 25 CC, from these 5 legs, at least you must have 3 legs that can go deep. Okay? So if 3 legs go deep, and these 3 legs duplicate what we do. Okay? They also build 25, 25, 25. So how much CC we can get? How much CC? 75 CC. Okay? Every month. So we become an assistant manager. And the next month, immediately, 75, we become manager. Okay? In 1 year, we can become eager manager. And don't forget, these 5 lines, initially, we start as a personal non-manager legs. But one day, sure got few legs will become manager, isn't it? So what we need to do? We need to replace every time. When one line become manager, we need to immediately replace another personal non-manager. At least we have 5 personal non-manager legs in one time. Okay? Understand? Okay, you all understand? Okay, this is very important. So when you have 3 legs, become manager, what you need to do? Okay? I will make sure all my 3 manager legs, they have personal non-manager 50 CC. Okay? 3 legs. Not less than 3 legs. 50 CC, 50 CC, 50 CC. So, you will have 600 legs. You know, to achieve chairman bonus, we just need 600 legs. Isn't it? But for me, no. I need 3 legs. Because 3 legs is more balanced. Okay? So, you see, you will have 600 legs. Then you will qualify. This is not CBM. This is solid CBM. And then you will become a real business owner. Okay, this is very important. So we see. Structure is very important in this business. Okay, we need the structure if we want to be successful in this business. So in my structure, okay, at least 3 legs. So just imagine, if you sit on the chair with 2 legs, do you feel comfortable? Comfortable? No, you need to support with your own leg, right? Later, you will become very tired, isn't it? But if your chair got 3 legs, okay, you can sit very relaxed. You can even take up your leg. No problem, isn't it? So this is the minimum. Okay, the structure balance is very important. So if you do not check your group balance, emotion will easily come and hard to control. Okay, we see many high-pin leaders in my country. Okay, they left the business. They quit the business. Why? Because no 3 legs. Okay, every day, even they are very high-pin, but they are not happy. Why? Because no 3 legs, very tired. Isn't it? Not balanced. They need to support with own legs. Okay, it's the reason. So you need to make sure. Okay, make sure you check your group balance. And 3-leg income, don't forget, 3 legs income is stronger than 2 legs by at least 10 times. You see my check? My CBM level 1 check. Okay, only how much? 12,000 US dollar. But when I have 3 legs, I build my 3 legs, you see my check become how much? 137,000. Okay, you see? How many times multiply? More than 10 times. So actually, 3 is multiply. Okay, if you just keep on one line, I tell you, one day, you will face the same problem. Emotion will come easily. Okay? So you like emotion? We don't like, yeah? We need stable, isn't it? Okay? This is very important. So this is my CBM leaders. Okay, this is just part of my CBM leaders. I have more than this. Okay, just I want to show you, this is my structure. Okay, 3 legs, balance. Okay, you see the down there. Okay, all of them are eager managers. And today, all of them already become chairman bonus manager. Okay, this year, I have 3 CBM level 2 in my group. My direct line, level 2, level 2, level 2. Okay, I'm not just normal CBM level 2. Okay, for this structure, I can be the solid CBM level 2. Do you think solid? Solid? I tell you, very solid. Okay, I can sleep on the chair. I don't sit on the chair. I can sleep on the chair. You understand? Okay, very important. So last, you need system. System for what? For strength. Okay? So the best system must always emphasize on belief and aim higher. Okay? I know everybody, every group have their own system, isn't it? But system must emphasize on belief and aim higher. Okay, let us see. So you see these bumblebees? Okay? According to scientists, okay, with the small wing and the big body, okay, the bumblebees is impossible for them to fly. Okay? But bee fly or not? They fly. You know what is the reason? Do you know what is the reason? You don't know? I tell you. Because bumblebee, they never attend science class. They don't understand the formula. They cannot fly. You know, a lot of people, they measure by other people's mouth. You know, people tell you cannot. They say, oh yes, I cannot. Actually, you can. You see, nothing can stop us when we believe you can. You agree or not? You agree? Yes. So you must believe. First, you believe in yourself. You believe. You believe in yourself? Yes. Second, you must believe in the company. Forever is the best company. You agree? You must agree. If you don't believe in this, okay, every day they have new company coming in. You go and see. Tomorrow got new company, you go and see. The day after tomorrow, you got new company, you go and see, okay? You can never be successful in forever living. For me, one company is enough. Okay? We can be a millionaires with one company, isn't it? This is very important. Believe and focus. Okay? And you must aim higher. Don't stop. Don't be satisfied with what you have today. I already eager manager. I already CBM level 2. I already CBM level. Don't be satisfied. Okay? You see here. If you do something and it turns out pretty good, then you should go do something else wonderful. Not dwell on it for too long. Just figure out what is next. It's very important. Aim higher. Every year. Okay? You no need to compete with others. You just compete with ourselves. Okay? Every year, make sure you up 20 to 30%. Okay? One day, you will go on top. Okay? I guarantee. Okay? This is very important. Okay? Understand? So this is my record. Okay? First year, 2013 in Hawaii. In my group, I have 7 CBM qualifiers and 11 eager managers qualifiers. Good? Did you think this result good? But I'm not satisfied. I say I can do better. So in the next year, in London, I have 14 CBM qualifiers and 30 Eagle Managers qualifiers. You think this result good? Good. But I'm not satisfied. I want to break more records. So in Singapore, I have 18 CBM qualifiers and 35 Eagle Manager qualifiers. Today, I have 70 couples coming for Cancun in my group. Do you think this result good? Good? I am not satisfied. Watch out. Next year, Johannesburg and Greece, I will have 25 CBM qualifiers and 50 Eagle Managers qualifiers. One day, a village girl, she want to go to city to work. So the mother very worried. Why? Because she worried her daughter get cheated and get pregnant. So he teach the daughter. So if you go to city, you meet the guy, a bad guy. If he touch your breast and boot, you say, don't. And if he go lower to the private part, you say, stop. You understand? The daughter say, yes, I understand. Then go, work. After 1 year, come back to the village, grab pregnant. So the mother so surprised. How come? How come mother already teach you how to take care? You still get pregnant. You know what the daughter say? I meet the guy. But the guy is very bad. Okay? Both hands together, up and down together. So she had to say, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. That's why I get pregnant. You understand? To be successful in forever business, I tell you, the secret is don't stop. You have to remember this. Okay? How to be successful in forever living? Don't stop. Keep on breaking more records. Okay? So lastly, I have one statement. I need everybody to stand up. Can? Okay? You follow me. Okay, you follow me. I read this, you follow me. Is it okay? Okay. So, are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. I am forever leader. Forever is my ultimate choice. I like to learn. I like challenge. Regardless of obstacles. I love myself. I believe in myself. I will succeed in forever. 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 Yes, no limits. Go, go, go. Millionaire. Thank you. See you at the top.